This video, I'll be showing you how to order food on Uber Eats app. Click on the store that you want to order with and select the options, for example, delivery, pickup, etc. Pick your items and that will be put into your basket. Once you're ready, view your basket, make sure all of your details are correct. Here we can request utensils, add promo code, and add notes for our delivery driver. Continue to checkout. Here we can add more details, like add your phone number, meet door, specific delivery instructions, etc. And once we're ready for everything, press next. Here it will give us an option to add a tip. We'll go order and pay. When we click this button, it will ask you to pay with Apple Pay. So once you've done that, that will place your order through, and then you'll be able to collect it, or it will be delivered to you at the specific instructions that you requested. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.